Hi friends, we're going to do our Sunday lesson number 37. So as I click on the screen, you're going to read the sounds. Here we go. These are suffixes, s, ing. And now we're going to spell the sounds. So using a plain piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard and dry erase marker, you could also use maybe like a container of sand. Okay, you're going to spell the sound Say it with me. Okay, the next sound you're going to spell is nt. Say it with me. Nt. Okay, so you should have written an N and a T. The next sound you're going to write is nd. Say it with me. Nd. And you should have written ND. The next sound is all. Say it with me. All. And we should have written ALL. The next sound, Say it with me. Go ahead and write it. And you should have written the letter E. Next sound, Say it with me. And you should have written the letter I. If you did all those, please kiss your brain. One more sound, ow, as in cow. Say it with me. Ow. And that's an O-W. Now I want you to write how we would do the long O at the end of the word. There's two different ways we could do it. We could do the ow, O-W, or the O. Long O says its name. And we are ready to read our words. The first set of words are going to have suffixes ing and Here we go. And I'm going to say these with you. Thinking, sinker, stuffing, melting, shifting, taller, slipping, cooler. These are on your own. Okay, let's keep going. Go ahead and say these words out loud for me. Remember they have the and the ing. Good job, friends. Keep it up. Okay, just a few more. Rob, robe, fender, joint, crime, quill, stuffing, cow. And read the sentences. The raven is flying home. The dent is below the fender. The wind is blowing the powder all over. Enter at your own risk. Okay, and we're ready to spell our words. So again, you should have a piece of paper and a pencil, or you can use a whiteboard and dry erase marker. I'm going to say the words, you're going to repeat it after me, and then we will segment those words together. The first word is window. Say it with me. window. Let's spell it W-I-N-D-O. The next word is smelling. Say it with me. Smelling. Let's spell it together. S-M-E-O-Ing. Think of the 3 letters that make that ing. The next word we're going to practice is flower. Say it with me. Flower. We'll spell it together. F-L-O-W-E-R. Good job. Our next word is a sight word, so we're just going to repeat it and write it. It is give. I give you my hand to high five. Give. You should have written G-I-V-E. Give. The next word has the marker. Say it with me. Marker. We spell it together. M-R-K-er. Remember those 2 words that make that R sound in the middle? A-R. The next word we're going to spell is a compound word. Snowflake. Say it with me. Snowflake. Let's spell it. S-N-O-F-L-A-K. Snowflake. It has a silent letter at the end. The next word is sticking. Say it with me. Sticking. Let's spell it together. S-T-I-C-K-ing. And the next word is power. Say it with me. Power. We spell it P-O-W-E-R. And another sight word. Live. Live. Say it with me. Live. Go ahead and write it. And the last word we're going to practice together is locker. Say it with me. Locker. Spell it L-O-C-K-E-R. Locker. Okay, and now I'm going to dictate a sentence to you. You will repeat it back with me and go ahead and write it, making sure you have proper punctuation and a capital letter at the beginning, spacing between your words. The sentence is, we are passing the last stop. Say it with me. We are passing the last stop. So there should be 6 words in your sentence. If you need to, you can go back and re-listen. And if you need to, you can pause the video right now. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the new information. So today we're talking about the sound oo, as in book. Or I'm sorry, ook. Okay, let's read these words. Book, shook, look, wood, foot, brook, stood, good. And we're going to practice writing a few of these. So the word is stood. Say it with me. Stood. We're going to spell it together. S-T-U-D. The next word is wood. Say it with me. Wood. W-U-D. And the last word is foot. Say it with me. Foot. T. All right, nice job, friends. You did a great job today. I look forward to doing the next lessons with you.